Hold him down. Hold him down. There we go. Drink it. Drink the potion. Drink it. Drink it. It's working, guys. It's working.
What's that? Oh no, he's multiplying. I warned you guys, but you never want to listen to me.
My
pb&j.
Oh, these cats.
These cats. Oh, these cats. Shoo! Making pizza. Shoo, stinky little cats. Oh, my pizza's ready.
Go away! Oh, John! That is it. I am sick and tired of these cats bugging us. John! John! John!
What?
These cats just won't leave us alone. We need a plan to get rid of them.
That's a great idea. We need a plan.
I have an idea.
What's your idea, buddy?
Let's try and trap them.
Great idea, buddy. I'm gonna go get your sister and we're all gonna work together. Pen!
What?
These cartoon cats are bugging me. Are they bugging you too?
Yes, they have been bugging me.
So your brother had the great idea to trap them. How do you think we should do that?
I don't know.
All right, I'm gonna go get the mail.
Oh no! Dad, you want all of the cats out.
At least they're gone. I guess we probably shouldn't do that to the neighborhood, though. I think we have to go get the cats. Let's do it.
We gotta put our handy-dandy goggles on.
Is that helping you find them?
Yeah. Yes. It's your protective goggles. You can see everything.
All right, guys. So we have our
Right.
wagon here, and we got some
we
stuff
getting
to
inside?
catch. We got some stuff to catch the cats. We've got a bag, a blanket, and this trusty box.
They're at tree park.
You think they're at the tree park?
And I think they're at the area where we walk, and we're that area where there's like not that many trees, like that island.
All right. Where do you think they are, Dad?
They could be anywhere. Let's just let's start looking. My trusty nose will find them, since I'm so allergic to cats.
All right, let's go, guys. You look around and let me know if you see anything. You let me know if you see anything. Okay.
I spotted them. They're yeah, I see one too.
In this tree, guys.
They're there.
All right, let's see if we can grab it. Right here, right here. Oh, he ran away!
I pewed him down.
He ran away, Vashti!
No, I pewed him down really quick.
All right, wait, he went that way. Vashti, we gotta follow him. How are we going to find all of these cats and capture them all? I don't know how we're gonna do it. No, Vashti, that's just a leaf. How are we gonna catch all of these cats, guys? Oh. All right, guys. Let's head over this way and see if we can grab one.
I think they're in that tree over there. I saw one.
Go get it, Vashti. Go get it.
I almost got it. Oh, there it is again. Gotcha.
Good job, Pen. We caught one. How many are left?
I think there's 12 total.
12!
Or is it 13?
You see it? Got him!
Good job. Did you get it, Bun?
Yep.
Is it secured? Great job. All right, let's look for some more, guys. All right, guys. We're on our way looking for more.
I see one. It's in this tree. I got it.
Put it in.
I put it in the box.
Great job.
I got one.
Good job, Ashley. Throw it in.
How about I put it in there?
Yeah, let's keep going, guys. All right, here we are.
Wait.
There's one over there. Run, Pen, run. Run, Bashy, get it. Good.
I accidentally let one escape. Oh no.
Oh no, one escaped. All right, we'll find it.
No. Oh, I see it over there.
Go get it, Pen.
Oh, I see it. I found her. Got it.
Good, go throw it in the box. Oh no, guys, there's a bunch in the tree. Good job, Bashy, go put it in the box.
I see it here. There's another.
Good job, Pen, put it in the box.
I can roll another. Yeah, two.
Guys, there's a ton up in that tree up there. How are we gonna get that down? How are we gonna get them down? How do you think we're gonna get them down? Should we shake the trees?
Shake the trees, that's a great idea.
Let's go shake the trees, Pen. Let's go shake the trees. Come on, Pen, let's shake them.
This tree.
Shake it good. I know, they're all the way at the top. See them up there? They're all the way up there. Okay, Pen, shake it.
Shake. I caught him. Shake. Oh, they're falling.
They're falling, grab them.
I see one. It's over there. Get it, Pen. Get it, Pen. Now get back here. I'm gonna go put it back, and I'm gonna go and put this in the box.
Whew, this is hard work catching all these cartoon cats.
Yeah. I think we might have caught like, I don't know, 4.
We caught a lot so far, guys. Hopefully we got all of them.
We catched.
Oh!
It's over there.
All right, guys, be very quiet. It's right here. Oh, I got it!
Got it.
All right, Pen, you keep them safe in that box.
I'm keeping them safe, and I hear them pounding.
Oh boy, they're trying to get out, huh? All right, keep them in there. All right, guys, we're on to the next spot. I think we got all the ones at this park, so we're gonna check another park and see if we can find any more at another park. What do you think, Bash?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna keep on walking and see what we can find. Wait, Bash, I see one over here. Okay, buddy, be really quiet and careful. Grab it. Good job.
Put them in, quick.
Good job. Keep them in there, Pen. Don't let any of them
It
escape.
almost escaped.
That was a close one. All right, let's go.
Phew. I think I might have to take my trust to God clothes off for a second. I guess I should put them back on. Got him!
Good job.
There's one at the playground. Here it is. I saw him right there. No, no, he ran away. I need to get. Got him!
Alright, let's see. I'm gonna just count them up real quick and see how many we have. Oh! Oh no! Uh-oh. Oh!
Alright guys, so I think we got all of them. So we're gonna head home, try to see if we can summon Cartoon Cat, get him his kittens back.
Shout out! Dodong and Hands, Aliva and Ellie, Allison, Ivy, happy 5th birthday, Cyrus and Bryson, Harrison, Evan, and Mom, Hanai, Grant, happy 5th birthday, Corey James, Andrew and Trevor, happy 6th birthday on November 14th, and Jasmine. Thanks for watching, everybody.
And if you guys want a shout out in a future video, be sure to ask your parents to head to our Facebook or our Instagram, send us a message, and we will shout you out in a future video!